Welcome to Matrix Tutorial Part 1. This part will cover definition and basics of the matrix. This tutorial video is brought to you by Listen to You. A matrix is a numbers arranged in rectangular form, like in the example. Each number in the matrix is called an entry. So the example on the right here, we have 4 entries, which consists of 0 and 1s. We usually describe a matrix by its size, and we describe its size by counting the number of rows and columns. So the example here, we have the size of 3 by 2. We can specify each entry by calling it according to the number of rows and columns it is. For example, the number 7 on the top right here can be called as the entity A13 according to the number of its row and column. And so on. Number 5 here will be called A21 and A22, A23. We can do many things with matrix, but for this tutorial, we will cover only basic operation. First one is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication is basically when you have a number multiplied with a matrix. For example, here we have number 10 here multiplying the matrix here. What you have to do is just take the number 10 and then times it with every single entity in the matrix. So we have got the right here. 10 times 1 times 5, 6, and 8. And after that, we got the result here. This is another example. We have 20 multiplying a matrix here. And you basically multiply every single entity with 20. And there we have the result. Addition and subtraction. For matrices, when you add or subtract them together, the matrices have to be in the same size. So for this matrix A and B here, you can subtract or add it together because both of them are in the same size or have the size of 2 by 4. So for example here, if you subtract matrix A with matrix B, what you have to do is look at the number or the entries that is in the same position, and then you add or subtract it according to the sign. So for this example, number 5 here, entry 5 here, we subtract with number 6 here. And there we have on the right. And number 8, subtract with number 8, 9 subtract with 5, 7 subtract with 7, just like on the right side. And after we subtract every single entry, there we have the answer. And we do the same thing with the addition. So for the addition, number 5 here will add with number 6 here. 8 with 8, 9 with 5, 7 with 7. and then we will get a result. So thank you for watching. Next time we will cover the different types of matrix.